Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali, and as you guys can see, I'm here with a really huge box. This box here just came in earlier than expected, but I'm super duper happy that it's here. And this in here is my mystery bundle that I purchased on my add-on sale with my fall box. If you guys haven't seen my fall box unboxing, go ahead and watch that. It is a crazy high value. Just so you guys know, I've never had a box that had such a high value. Like, it is insane. Okay, so I have our mystery bundle here. And for those of you that have never shopped the add-on sales or edit sales for the Fabfitfun box, this mystery bundle, it really is a mystery. You have no idea of what you're going to get in here. All you know is you're going to get a minimum of 3 products that are said to be worth at least $100. You can get 3 products, you can get 4, you can get 5. That value of $100 is the minimum. Sometimes you get more, and sometimes they're really good things. So let's go ahead and go in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out first. This is from Laura Geller. It is the Speckle Mist Prime Set Refresh. I actually think I already have one of these. Or actually, no. I do have a Laura Geller setting spray. And I want to say it's the same name, but it doesn't look like this. The bottle looks different, but I don't know. I might be wrong, but this is the first item that we have. Let's see the mist. Oh, that's really... Whoa, that really wets your face. That I wasn't expecting that one. Like, put your hand out. Look at how wet. Even if you do it from far away, I'll do it a little bit lower. Look at how wet it leaves my hand. That I was not expecting that on my face. That first item. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one here. It is from Ish Liquid Shadow. We have Mystic Maroon. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks like it's a pinkish metallic, like rose gold, but a little bit deeper. Let's see what it swatches like. Oh my god, that's really pretty. And that's really pretty. It is metallic. It has blue glitters. So you don't get like a solid pink color. You have bluish glitters in there. That's like an interesting mix of colors. Second item from this box, then I'm gonna grab this one here. It is something else from Ish. Eyeline, and let me see, Steal It. So is it gonna be like a gray? That would be pretty awesome if it's like a gray. Oh, yay, it is. So it is a crayon eyeliner, and it looks like, let me see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's a really pretty gray. It's a metallic dark gray eyeliner. And I surprisingly do not have an eyeliner this color. So I'm actually excited to try this one out. And this one, again, it has like a shimmer, like a light silver shimmer, like undertone in here. So it's really, really pretty. So that is 3 items. And then we are down to our 4th item here. This one here from Ilia. And it says True Skin Radiant Priming Serum. So this is serum. Oh, this is the bottle. It is like a matte white, and it just says shake before use. So let's shake it. See, this is the reason why I shake everything, because everything always says shake before use. So this one says firming plus smoothing aloe infused. Let's just do really quick. Oh, nothing special. It's just like a gel-ish serum. No special scent. So this one here was the last item from our mystery bundle box. This one was okay. I personally have never really tried this Ish beauty line. I know they have this one on sale a lot during the edit and the add-on sales, but I've never actually seen it in stores, or I've never seen it advertised anywhere else other than Fabfitfun. So I don't know what's the deal with that. But I mean, this one is actually not bad. This serum, because it does say that is firming plus smoothing. So hey, I'll take it. I will put the total box value here so you guys can see more or less how much the box was, or this mystery bundle, I keep saying box, how much this mystery bundle was worth, just so you guys can get an idea of, you know, if it's worth it or not. Again, it can be really good and it can be really bad. This one was just okay, just because, I mean, these two kind of made up for what it was. The Ish beauty line, not too familiar with it, but hey, it's a mystery bundle. You never know what you're going to get. And that's what I got. So I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another video. And I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.